Here we go. Hey guys, I wonder if anyone knows where I am right now. Remember that cult from a month ago? The whole cult just disappeared overnight. And everyone was freaking out, remember? I'm here, the cult leader's house. It's 12:07 a.m. at the mansion. This place reminds me of something. Something always happens in a place like this in horror movies or games. It's going to be fun. You are the universe, and the universe is you. We should have set foot here in the first place. There's someone trying to kill me. Please, I want to get out.